We're in my freezer. This is my freezer. We're gonna be making banana bread with one ingredient. We don't need egg, we don't need vanilla extract, we don't need a mixing bowl. We got it with just bananas. So I'm gonna make banana bread with just these. I let these bananas go a little ripe, and then I put them in the freezer. Waited till I accumulated a bunch of bananas. Step one, put them in a bag. Got our bananas in a bag. Next step, take that bag outside. We're outside with the bananas. Whole bag of bananas. Our next step here is the magical step right here. We meet Brenna. Hi, Brenna. How's it going? Here's your bananas.
Wonderful.
And my banana bread with one ingredient. One ingredient banana bread. Woo! Fresh out of the oven. Little walnuts, margarine on there. Yeah. Thanks, Brenna.